This is the function to analyze the undercut area of the scan data in iScan. Clicking the undercut analysis icon will display different icon tools below. The three tools on the left are to select the areas to view the undercut. The two in the middle are to delete the selected areas. The far right one is to set the direction of the undercut to be viewed. If the brush is used to select an area, you can select within the data inside the drawn shape with the mouse. You can choose from 3 different sized brushes. Among the deletion tools, if you deselect selected area with brush, the data can be deselected by freeform. Here also, you may select from 3 different brushes. If the adjacent deselect all selections, all the selected areas can be deselected. If you use the polyline selection tool, you can select areas within the drawn polygon. If you use the circle selection tool based on the selected area, a circular shape data is selected. After selecting the desired area, click on Automated Insertion Direction setting. The undercut area automatically calculates the direction with the minimum undercut area. If an area of interest hasn't been assigned, using the 3D model from the screen, the insertion direction can be calculated, and based on this, calculate the undercut area.